Next up, we focus on a safety issue involving confusion between two concentrations of the same drug. Unfortunately, practitioners, including pharmacists and anesthesiologists, have sometimes confused two concentrations of the same drug, leading to a very serious error, an overdose of a paralyzing agent used for patients undergoing surgery. The issue is with cisatracurium, which is available in both a 2 milligrams per milliliter and 10 milligrams per milliliter concentration. The brand name is Nimbex. The 2 milligrams per milliliter concentration is used during intubation of the patient. The 10 milligrams per milliliter concentration is used to compound continuous infusions. I'd like to welcome back Mike Cohen, the president of ISMP, to walk us through the recommendations. Mike, what is ISMP advising practitioners to do in this situation?
Yeah, it's a potentially serious situation. We actually had a report, as you know, we operate the National Medication Error Reporting Program. We actually had a report from an anesthesiologist who actually gave the stronger concentration in error, and that's a 5-fold overdose that the patient received. So it's potentially serious. Unfortunately, this patient was intubated, was on a respirator. It is given to patients that are, undergoing artificial respiration of some type. It could have been quite serious if the patient wasn't intubated. What we recommend, obviously, is instead of leaving it up to the anesthesiologist to prepare the injections, having pharmacy prepare them instead is one thing that can be done. Using barcoding is another. This error also took place in the pharmacy, though, because they dispensed the wrong amount in a vial, and then the error was duplicated by the anesthesiologist. So one of the things that can be done in the pharmacy is to store these separately. And I think that's very important. And wherever they are stored, I think it requires special labeling, like a warning about the high concentration. A lot of people aren't familiar with the two different concentrations. The lower concentration is used as a loading dose, and the higher concentration is used to prepare infusions when surgery is going to go on for quite some time. Those are the things you can do. I think preparing in the pharmacy the infusion and dispensing it that way, and using barcoding are probably the most important things that can be done.
Mike, thank you for these very important recommendations.